su seguridad. Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Right now, we're passing through the foothills of Big Thunder Mountain and the tiny town of Tumble. Things just ain't do the same here since them spirits took over the mountain and spooked all the mining
Must be where they stored the trees and the trash right there.
Because you have to look behind you to do it.
Travelers like us find small tribes of plains Indians camped out alongside the tracks. This tribe is a peaceful, friendly sort, willing to trade goods or offer a hearty meal to any weary traveler. By the way, if you're traveling aboard one of four full-line steam-powered trains that ride each way day near the Magic Kingdom, these iron horses are the descendants of the pioneers of the rail that crisscrossed our golden age more than when you cross Mickey's Toontown with a country fair. Why, you get Mickey's Toontown Fair, of course. Won't be long now, and we'll be arriving at the fair. Our next stop on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Donald, Goofy, and a whole bunch of their neighbors are there.
Exciting, an alligator. A big giant round.
I want to take some time for a visit while you're there. Just so you can drop by for a visit. Across the street is Donald's Pony. It ain't much good to say. And for a really fun time, you can fly with Goofy as he follows his progress around the office there. Flying in his arms. Also, the story is going to now and fly together. This is until the 20,000 remember to gather all your personal belongings at the fair.
Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. This is also the closest stop for Tomorrowland and Fantasyland. This is Mickey's Toontown Fair. Our next stop will be Main Street, USA.
Su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Oh, ahead of us lies the future. Well, I guess we all know that. What I mean to say is, we're heading into Tomorrowland, where everyday living is made better through science, invention, and intergalactic influence. That's right. I hear that alien beings from outer space drop in for a visit every now and again. In fact, that big contraption beyond the Tomorrowland Disney Speedway is what they call the Astro Orbiter, with some kind of newfangled flying spaceship. And you can ride them if you got the money, and the nerve. In front of us is the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Commuter System. The TTA, as it's called, carries Tomorrowlanders around town on a steam train. But as far as the future is concerned, it's right on track. To our left is Space Mountain, the most thrilling outer space adventure in the park. And that area of space is the Tomorrowland Flight and Pilot Club, all of the Tomorrowland Arcade. And if you're ready for really serious space races, space all the volunteer winners something fun. But before you go to Infinity and beyond, let's steam on to Main Street, USA.
Keep all feet inside the train, please.
We're now approaching our next stop, Main Street, USA. For the grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, thanks for coming aboard and putting up with me these last few days. Stay in your seat till we come to a full stop. And remember to gather all of your personal belongings, including the yacht, and step carefully from the train. Those of you staying with us, sit tight. We'll be on our way again.
Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. This is Main Street.